I just want to say what's up, everybody. Thank you for coming out. Thank you for supporting the arts and the culture. Yo, do me a favor, clap it up for my man Charlie Hustle, yo. Yo, you gotta clap it up for Rebel Diaz, R-Gang. Yo, we got these hosts. Thank y'all for coming out. I'm not gonna take up too much time. I go by the name Cross. I rep the Apollonians now, you know, boogie down Bronx all day. Y'all know what time it is. We gonna get into some real hip hop. If y'all don't mind, I'm gonna get into some real hip hop. Yo, the true school of hip hop. I'm talking about a different time. Back in the days when Jimmy Spicer had super rounds, Too Hurt laid the foundation for this to start. Yes, y'all. When they had jams in the park, you remember brothers like Spoonie T, Treacherous Free, the Crash Crew, the Fat Boys, Biz Marquis, Fab Five, Freddie Love, Bug Starsky, epic like Cool Mo D, battling Busy P. Curtis Blow had the first gold single in rap. Grand Wizard Theodore pioneered the scratch. Grandmaster Flash, Furious 5 came with the message. Rappers delight. Grandmaster Caz never got credit. I can't forget about my sisters holding it down. MC Light and Queen Latifah holding the crown. I'm paying homage because I'm happy to be a part of that. Born and raised in the borough where it started at. Make some noise if you know you fuck with that real hip hop, yo. Come on, yo, clap it up. Yeah. What y'all know about the Purple Tape? What y'all know about Raekwon, Ralph McDaniels video, music box and all that shit? Yo. Okay. Yo. Before the whole game went digital, before the music started to sound pitiful, you had real MCs, you had to be original. My dedication to hip hop, cause I'm missing you. All I would listen to was Wu-Tang Forever. Paid in full, the 18th letter, now it's Slaughterhouse Roots. Eminem is priceless. Can't forget Redman, Coochie rap the nicest. Only built for Cuban links, Life After Death, De La Soul. Jungle Brothers, A Tribe Called Quest. Too Short, E40, NWA, The Ghetto Boys, Outkast, UGK. From the Juice Crew to Roxanne Wars to Wild Style. When I think about how far we came, I gotta smile. Mos Def, Talib Kweli, they ain't playing. Common Sense, EPMD, so what you saying, what you saying? I love hip hop, y'all. I live for this shit. I'm talking about hip hop, not just rap music. The 5 elements. You got knowledge, MCing, breakdancing, DJing, and graffiti. We gotta bring it back to the culture. Most important is that knowledge, yo. We gotta bring back that knowledge, real talk. Yo. I miss Big Pun, I miss the Terror Squad. I wish Fat Joe was still cool with Remy Ma. Who's the best MCs, Biggie, Jay-Z, and Nas? I'm like, nah, how could you forget Rakim Allah? The Black Sheep, Naughty by Nature, who can't click? Nowadays, rappers got tight jeans that can't fit. Thank God for Kool Herc, a hip-hop legend. Before Power 105 and Hot 97, the Wizard, the Jizzer, You God and Meth, Master Killer, ODB, Rebel INS, Ghostface Killer, Raekwon the Chef. To me, Wu-Tang Clan is hip-hop at its best. Big L and Tupac, 2 of my favorite MCs. Illmatic, it was written. My favorite CDs, Peace the Grandmaster Flash, The Furious 5, KRS-One, lets me know hip-hop is alive.
Yeah! That boy good!
Thank y'all. Yo, y'all gotta hear this cat, man. Word up.